I wish all of you very well. So, myself, Musa Madar from Goregaon East, MPS School. So, dear student, today I am here with
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to all of you. Mathematics subject, standard first. So, I wish.
I am not hearing.
Okay, 1 minute just. Okay. Hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So, dear student, I wish all of you very well. Okay. So, I pray to God bless you. Okay. Now, dear student, today our topic and subject is mathematics subject. Okay. So, student, I ask you some questions regarding our topic. Okay. Just those who know, just give the proper answer. Okay. I will show something you. Okay. So, dear student, what do you think? What do you observe this? What is this?
Thumb glass is light.
Okay.
And
Very well. Very well. Very good. So this is glass. This is paper glass and this one is steel glass. Okay. So dear student, can you tell me which glass having more weight? Paper glass or steel glass?
steel glass.
Definitely. Steel glass having a more weight. And which glass having a less weight?
Paper
glass. Very
Paper
good.
glass.
Exact. Okay, dear student. So today's our topic is that heavy and less. Okay. Okay. Understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So dear student, I want to share my screen here. Just you observe. Okay. Okay, dear student, do you observe this?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so student, today's our topic is heavy and light, or less also light. Okay, so concept of heavy and light. So here, two things are given to you. Can you tell me what is the name of that things?
It's the pumpkin and
Excellent. Very good. Very good.
pumpkin is heavy.
Okay. Very good.
Apple is light.
Very good. Excellent student. So there are two fruits. One is pumpkin and another is apple. Okay. So here we observe pumpkin having a more weight and apple having lightweight. Okay. So dear student, when we measure or compare the weight of two objects, we use the term heavier and lighter. So pumpkin is heavier than apple. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. Excellent student. So here student, pumpkin having a more weight. That's why we call this is heavy. Now next student, can you define heavy and light objects? Yes, anybody else? Just
Yes. Yes.
okay. In few words, can you tell me from this concept something you understand? Okay, what is the heavy and what is the light? So okay student, I will tell you. Okay, so heavy and light. Okay, heavy object. What do you mean by heavy object? The object that has more weight is called heavy object. Understand? So it means that the object having more weight. It not should be a bigger or small. Okay. That main thing is that more weight. Weight is important. Okay. In this concept. So the object that is more weight is called heavy object. Now next concept is that light object. So what do you mean by light object? So the object that has less weight is called light object. Understand? So it means that that object having a less weight. Understand? Understand, student? Okay, very good. Okay, this is a barbell. Okay, what is this thing? Barbell. Very good. Okay, so dear student, we having here barbell. Okay, so this is the Ram. Okay, this person is Ram. Can Ram lift barbell easily? Tell me, student, can Ram lift the barbell easily? Yes? No. Okay. Okay. So, no, it is too heavy. Look at here. The person whose name is Ram, they're trying to lift that barbell, but it is not easy to lift. Okay. Now next picture I want to share here. That is, this is a feather. What is this? This is a feather. Okay. Now, can Ram lift feather?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you tell me why Ram lift feather easily?
Yes.
Why Ram lift feather easily?
Yes.
Okay. Student, Ram lift feather easily because the weight of feather is very light. Understand? And the barbell weight are heavy. That's why. Okay. So it's easy to. Yes. So here you can observe the barbell is heavy and the feather is light. That's why Ram easily handle it. Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, student. Now next. Can you see this picture?
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, 1 minute. I want to share something here. So, student, the weight of the barbell is more than the feather. Okay. Therefore, the barbell heavier than feather. Or we can say also the weight of the feather is less than the barbell. Therefore, means feather is lighter than the barbell. Isn't it? Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me. Okay. So what do we have here? Can you tell me?
This basket is.
Okay. Basket is there. This is a empty basket. Understand? So, dear student, this is a empty basket. Okay. So it is easy to carry. Okay. So Ram say it is so light. Okay. When Ram carry it, that time he think it is so light. It is easy to carry. But after some time, now, okay, now the basket is full to apple. When someone, there is a basket, when someone pick out or kept some apple in that basket, at that time Ram think about that basket. Can Ram leave the basket? No, because it is too heavy. Okay, not, it is too heavy. That's why here we can observe. Okay, so when basket is empty, that time Ram left or Ram handle it very easily. Okay, but when the basket having a lot of apple, that time the basket's weight are very heavy. Okay, he didn't carry easily. Understand?
Yes.
Understand, student? Okay, now next. Okay, can you tell me this? Okay, this is a bat. Okay, this bat is thin and light. This bat having a thin and light. Okay, can Ram lift the bat?
Yes.
Yes, because it's very small and very thin. Okay, so Ram easily handle it or easily left it. So it is so light. Now next. Can Ram lift the bat? Lift the bat? Yes. Can Ram lift the bat? Because this bat having a more weight and long. Yes. This is very heavy. No, it is too heavy. That's why Ram not carry it properly. Okay, so here this bat is heavy and this bat is light. Understand, student?
Yes.
Okay, now next. So can Ram leave the packet? A very small packet is there. You can observe. Okay, a very small packet of sugar. Okay, Ram. Can Ram leave the packet easily? Yes. Because this is very small and so it is so light. That's why Ram easily carry it. Okay, now next. This is a big sack of sugar. Okay, can you tell me, can Ram lift the sack easily?
No, this is a happy.
No, student. It is too heavy. Understand? It is too heavy. That's why. Okay, you can see here, this packet is light and this sack is heavy. That's why Ram cannot easily carry it. Understand? Okay. So now children, I think you are able to differentiate which is heavy and which is light. Okay? Right, student? Understand? Okay. So something is given to you here. Just you observe the object or things which are difficult to carry are heavy and which are easy to carry are light. Okay, so concept of heavy and light are here given to you and it should be a very simple. Okay, again I read it. Listen carefully. The object or things. Okay, whatever object are given to you, okay, or whatever things are given to you which are difficult to carry. Difficult to carry means it is not possible to carry, it is not possible to lift, or it is not possible to collect easily. So that is heavy, and which are easily to carry. Okay, that is light. It means that whenever some object are given to you, you can easily handle that things. So or object, that is light. Understand, student, the concept of heavy and light? Tell me, student. Are you understand? Heavy and light. Okay. Again, I show you some example of this. Okay. Now next, again, the object or peoples who are having more weight are said to be heavy, or those who are of less weight are said to be light. Okay. So, dear student, I will again show you some example regarding this heavy and light. Can you tell me what is this?
Watermelon is heavy and
Okay.
too
Okay,
heavy.
student. There are two fruits. One is watermelon and another is apple. Okay, we have watermelon and apple. Okay, do you think there is a differentiate in weight? Yes, student, tell me. Yes, okay. The weight of watermelon is more than the weight of an apple. Therefore, we can say watermelon heavier than the apple. And we can also say that the weight of an apple is less than, yes, weight of an watermelon. Therefore, an apple is lighter than the watermelon. Understand? Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, excellent. Now next, can you tell me what do we have here?
Computer.
Yes.
Computer and laptop.
Okay, okay. So computer and mobile, we can say. Okay, computer and PC and mobile. Okay, so we have computer and mobile. Do you think there is a difference in the weight of these two things? Yes, definitely. Okay.
Computer is heavy and mobile is light.
Exact. Very good. It means that you are understand the concept of heavy and light. Okay. I explain here, student. The weight of the mobile is less than the computer. Therefore, mobile will be lighter than the computer. Okay, student. Or we can say also that the weight of the computer more than the weight of the mobile. Therefore, computer heavier than the mobile. Understand? Understand, student? Now, okay. Next example of, there are two things. One is bus and another is bicycle. Listen to me, student. Okay, listen to me. There are two things. One is bus and another is bicycle. Okay. So, can you think which one is heavier and which one is lighter?
Bus is heavier. Bus is heavier. Bicycle is lighter.
Bicycle is light. So, the weight of bus is more than the weight of the bicycle. Therefore, bus is heavier than the bicycle. Okay, student?
Yes.
Yes, it's very simple example to you. Okay, can you tell me what is this?
Is heavier and butterfly is lighter. is
Yes, very good. You are very intelligent student. Very good. Okay. Okay, I will tell you. There are penguin baby. Okay. And another is butterfly. Okay. In these two animal or two things, so there are penguin baby and one is butterfly. So in these two
heavier.
penguin baby is heavy and butterfly is lighter. So we can say here butterfly is, can you tell me, lighter than the penguin baby. Okay.
Penguin baby is
Okay.
heavier.
Now,
Butterfly is
okay. So, can you tell me which animal is this?
elephant is
Okay, elephant and ant. So, okay. Listen to me, students. Okay. So, dear student, in these two animals, elephant is heavier than the ant. Okay. And therefore we can say elephant is heavier than ant, or we can say also sorry, ant is lighter than an elephant. Okay.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay, now next. Okay, so dear student, there are two pictures. One is stone and another is feather. In these two things, stone is heavier than the leaf. Understand? So therefore we can say feather is lighter than stone. Understand, student? Okay. So next picture. Okay. Very good. Okay. So, okay, listen to me, student. So, next picture is given to you, that is tree and leaf. Okay. So, here we can say that tree is heavier than leaf. Next picture, there are kite and
jug.
Okay, jug. So, jug is heavier than kite. Understand, student? Okay. Oh, very good. Gift. There are picture of gift and balloon. Okay. So, balloon is lighter than the gift. Okay. Understand, student?
Yes.
Okay. So, one more thing I explain here, student. It is not necessary. Okay. It is not necessary that if the size of an object is large, it will also weigh more. So, student, always remember the weight of an object doesn't depend upon how big or small it is, while it is depend upon heaviness of an object. Okay. So next, can you think of three things that are light? Can you? Okay, tell me, student, three things that having a light.
Apple, balloon, and flower.
Okay, very good. Okay.
It's nice.
Okay. Now think of three things that having a heavy.
Watermelon, pumpkin.
Yes, very good. Very good, student. Very good. Excellent. So, here our topic is over. Now, this is homework for you. Take screenshot and do the homework. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, I stop my screen here. Okay. All of you understand the concept of heavy and light, student?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you, all of you.
Thank